Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix snipping tool not working in Windows 11. A problem with Windows is preventing screen. So to resolve this problem, you can try one method. There are some more methods, but this is a simple and basic method you can try to fix this problem. Click on Start, then Settings. Now here System, then click on Troubleshoot. Then here click on Windows Update. Then check for update. If update is available, so make your system up to date. Download your update and install. So this is the first method. Second one, click on Start, search CMD. Right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. Now here type this command line sfc/scan now. Press enter. Now complete this scanning and after that restart. Still you are facing problems, so you can try this method. Third one, start settings. Now here click on apps, click on installed apps. Now search here snipping. This one, click on this three dot, advanced options. Now here firstly terminate, then repair. Then reset. If repair method not work, so just reset. And last and final method, uninstall from here and restore snipping tool from Microsoft Store. So this is the possible way, guys, to fix and resolve snipping tool not working in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment any method work for you or not.